Hello my friends and welcome to our channel. Did you miss me? In today's video, I will share a secret formula to get rid of dandruff once and for all in just one wash. I promise you that this remedy really works, and after the very first use, you will get rid of dandruff permanently. Dandruff is a very common problem pretty much all of us face at some point in our lives. So this 100% success trick will help you get rid of dandruff and flaky scalp in just one wash. Before we go ahead, click that button to like and then subscribe to this channel for more life hacks and natural tips and tricks. Now, let's go ahead. Today, we're gonna see how to make a homemade hairspray that fights dandruff. I have used a secret ingredient to prepare this dandruff removal spray. I personally call this recipe the Dandruff Killer Spray. Our secret ingredient here is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains natural antioxidants which help remove dandruff as well as dried and flaky skin on your scalp. You might be curious as to why I have used apple cider vinegar. The simple reason is because it has been used for ages by our ancestors to prevent hair breakage and hair fall. Apple cider vinegar nourishes our scalp, thus helping it to stimulate hair growth. To make this recipe, simply we will add half a cup of apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle. Remember to use the same quantity. Next, I am adding 1 cup of water. The reason for adding water is because apple cider vinegar is very strong as an ingredient, and direct application to the scalp could cause redness or irritation. Therefore, it is important to add water. Now, shake the mix well before use and start spraying this all over your hair. Remember that you also have to spray this directly to your scalp. Now for the next step. It's time to give your scalp a nice massage using your fingertips. Keep massaging for the next 2 to 3 minutes. After this step, leave the mixture as it is for the next 2 hours. Now, after these 2 hours, wash your hair using a herbal shampoo. Remember to use a herbal shampoo to wash off your hair. Herbal shampoo means a shampoo which contains natural ingredients such as aloe vera or Indian gooseberry or anything of similar ingredients that is easily available. After the first use of this recipe, you will notice that your dandruff will have already disappeared. This home remedy is the quickest and easiest way to get rid of dandruff effectively. This remedy gives 100% great results, so do share it with your friends or people you know who are suffering from dandruff-related issues. So, we've reached the end of today's recipe. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe to this channel for more. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye!